What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 1985 Kawasaki Ninja, the GPZ. This thing is dope. I mean, this is the OG, beginning of time, land before time, dinosaur of sport bikes, but it is sweet. And I believe they make a turbocharged version of this. They make a turbocharged version of this. I don't believe this is that version. This bike is sweet, though, and it's going to be dirt cheap, but it's going to be... Get this for your collection. This thing's dope. So let's check it out. Walk around, guys. This is not in perfect shape whatsoever. Dent there. Got some scuffs on the muffler. I am going to rip this bike to shreds, but it's going to be under the impression that, okay, this guy rode this thing in a straight line. Looks like that middle tread is worn. The outer tread is like, there's tons of it. Tires, I mean, yeah. The middle tread's a little pretty worn. Kind of the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to leave you under the impression like this bike has a lot of flaws, but I need you to understand that, like, for what it is, it's a good running motorcycle, and that's the awesome part about it. Wear and tear there. We got some rips in the seat. I would never tell somebody get a perfect bike for your first bike, and this would be a great first sport bike for some people. It's not too fast, but it's wicked cool. Scuffs all down along there. So we got a nice scuff on the plastic. Now, I'm sure you can piece together plastics for this if you really wanted to make it look perfect. Front windshield needs a little bit of love. Some of those spider little crack thingies through there, but it's still intact. Front fender. Scuff right there. Got this cool AVDS. I have no idea. Automatic variable dampening system. It looks almost like a mini jug right there. It's pretty dope. I have no idea how that works. Someone comment below. I probably should have looked it up. Caution, air suspension. What? Containing highly compressed air. That's a pretty cool sticker. Liquid cooled. Guess that was a thing. That was a big thing back then for these bikes. Cowie. Obviously, it's carbureted. It's an older sports bike, and it has 17,433 miles on it. And this beast. Look at that. Cars up. That's right on. Let's get a little more choke on the front. Give a little more time on that choke just to get fired up. But I was riding it yesterday. Everyone's great. Maybe a little low on gas. Like I said, 17,000 on it. Guys, this bike is kind of what it is, but it's super cool. I'm a huge fan. Honestly, I might just ride this bike until someone buys it just because it's such a cool little bike. Like I said, guys, 1985 Kawasaki Ninja GPZ. It is the non-turbo one, but it's got so many cool things that were state-of-the-art back then. This is every 60-year-old man's dream back when he was in his 20s, and it's pretty awesome. I'm a big fan. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the walk around. This bike is not perfect. Let me check that front tire tread out. Oh yeah, front tread. I don't know if you can see it. Front tread's got plenty of life. Plenty of life. Maybe he changed the front, and they were like, next time change the back. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive on this bike. I'm sure Sean's going to rave about it. Thanks, guys.